In the last video, I showed you how to withdraw your CATI token from the Catizen game into an on-chain wallet like Bitget. In today's follow-up video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can swap your CATI token to either USDT or Toncoin that you can use to pay for gas fees. So if you're new here, do us a favor and hit that like button. And without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm here on my Bitget account and the CATI token I withdrew from the Catizen game has finally landed. The reason I didn't make this video earlier on was because of network congestion, so I had to wait until the CATI token landed on my Bitget wallet. Alright, so to get started, this is my Bitget wallet and you can access your assets by clicking on this wallet button right here. So as you can see, I have about 2.9 CATI token here. I have some other tokens like USDT and Toncoin. So without wasting much time, I'll show you how to actually swap your CATI token and receive either Toncoin or USDT on your Bitget wallet. I'll also show you how you can swap or transfer it to an exchange like ByBit if you want. Alright, so to swap, click on this home button and then select more options. Then you see the swap option right here. So click on it and it will take you to the swap portal. Alright, so my pair is already selected to Ton. If I want to swap from Catizen to Ton, I can just click on this arrow button and it will switch it up. So now I want to swap my CATI token into Ton. If you want to swap to USDT, let's say you want to swap from CATI to USDT, just click on this from these two address and select USDT. So I'll select USDT so I can swap my CATI token to USDT. If I'm swapping to CATI token, I'll receive around 1.47 USDT. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to swap from CATI to Ton. So next up, I'll select this address and select Toncoin. So you can do this for any token you want to swap. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure to select the right pair. So you can also do this for dogs. I can swap two dogs, two CATI token, and I'll be getting, let's see, 1,747 dogs. So it doesn't really matter. Once the most important thing is to make sure this from address CATI is selected, and you need to choose the token you want to swap to in these two addresses. So I'll select back Ton because I want to swap from CATI to Ton, and then I will specify the amount of CATI I want to swap. Once you set the amount of CATI, you can actually max it out. So if you got, let's say, 5 CATI token, you can just click on this max button and it will select everything you have and swap it off over for Ton. But for me, I don't want to swap out everything just yet. Okay, so after doing that, click on this confirm button. Okay, it's important to note that you will be charged in Toncoin because CATI and Ton are based on the Ton network. So this swapping, you actually need to have Ton. You actually need to have Toncoin on your Bitget wallet before you can complete it. I've made a video on how to buy Toncoin on ByBit and send it to on-chain exchanges like Tonkeeper and Bitget. I'll put a link to that video somewhere in the description section of this video, so you do well to check that out if you need to fund your Bitget wallet. Once that is done, I can click on this confirm button to swap CATI to Toncoin. Alright, so once you get this order submitted, you should be the transaction is still in progress, so you can click on this check my orders to see the progress of your transaction. Okay, so this is the order. The swap is in progress and you can take up to 20 seconds or more before it is completed. and I swapped 1.7 CATI token, and I'm supposed to get around 0.22 ton once the transaction is completed. So it took about 30 almost a minute before it's completed, but the transaction has been completed. And if I check my wallet now, I will see my CATI token has reduced from 2.9 and is currently 1.298. And let's move over to my wallet. My Toncoin balance has added and the CATI token balance has reduced as well. Alright, so I hope you found this video super helpful. Do well to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and share this video with your friends who also mine the CATI token if they want to swap it out for Toncoin or USDT. I'll do a follow-up video showing you how to actually withdraw if you prefer to send it to an off-chain exchange like ByBit or Bitget. Alright, so I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.